In this tutorial we will learn how to make a simple frequency counter using Arduino. For this project you will need some kind of frequency generator. In our case we are using a simple 555 module OLED display. Jumper wires, Arduino and Arduino software. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to arduino.eu and download and install Arduino software. Start Arduino and select the Arduino board. In our case it's Arduino Uno. Add frequency meter component. Add OLED display component. Double-click on the display OLED 1 and in the Elements window draw text to the left side. In the Properties window set size to 2 and text to frequency. In the Elements window drag text field to the left side. In the Properties window set size to 2 and Y to 30. Close the Elements window. Connect Arduino digital pin 2 to frequency meter 1 pin in. Connect frequency meter 1 pin out to display OLED 1 text field 1 pin in and pin clock. Connect display OLED 1 pin I2C out to Arduino pin I2C in. On the bottom click on the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right board and port and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.